Hi guys, so I just got this brand new vacuum slash mop that is going to clean the floors for me while I get to do other things, like clean the rest of the house and do laundry. But excited to have a vacuum that does it all. So it comes with the manual, and you can control it with an app. So here's the instructions on how to download the app. Has a really nice remote control and batteries. Looks like it's got a cute little comb to clean it out with, and the bristles that we can snap onto the bottom. It's a very thin, convenient size, so it can fit under my furniture, which is going to be amazing. I don't got to move the couch to get things cleaned. It's got a nice wheels that go in, and this nice controlling wheel. And here is the cleaning brush, and it's very easy to remove all of the stuff from it. Let's see how you open that. Got it. All right, so the lid comes off, and you can remove the brush for easy cleaning. And the inside is like a rubber type bendy material, so easy to remove all that hair and debris. And the sides are rubber and plastic, so easy to pop back in. So we'll put that back in place. And once I know how it works, it won't take me quite as long to get everything back where it goes and how to use it. And this is just without checking the manual. So definitely easy to use. All right, let's check out the front here. Very sleek design. It's got the camera right here, power button, home button. Here's the emptying tray, and to open and close it. It's got the nice filter system here. Nice big tray to hold all the debris. Go ahead and slide that back in. There we go, got it. Very sleek design. It's got the cameras also in the front. Got an on and off button switch here. Power button for first use. See the light just powered on. Connects with Wi-Fi with the app.
System is booting. Please wait.
And this is the base on which it will charge. So it should sit right upon that base like that. And you just plug the base into the power cord. That is everything in the box. And I am going to go set this up. Oh, and forgot to also pop these little pieces on here. So they pop right onto the vacuum. Oh, and they're labeled left. So this is going to go on this side. And then this one's labeled right, and this is labeled right. So that's gonna go on that side. That's really nice. That's one of the reasons I picked it also, because it has two brushes, where a lot of these machines only have the one brush. So that's really different and nice. And it even supplied the batteries for this remote control, which we'll put in and go set this up. Thanks for checking it out.